Hello everyone. Now today I am going to start in Mahi English classes the poem Trees of class 7th standard in CBSE. Now first I will tell you the short summary and then I'll start with the poem line by line explanation. Now this poem is based on the advantages of trees in our lives. What advantages we get from trees and shows what is the importance of trees in our lives, and this poem is written by Shirley Brown. Now here in this poem, the poem is aesthetic. That means it describes about the beauty of trees, and materialistic, which talks about money in our lives. Trees also give us money. So now I will go through the poem line by line, and in the end we will see what is the theme, tone and structure of the poem. Now, trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind the hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kids to get caught in. Trees kites got get in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winters. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mothers say, "What a lovely picture to paint." Trees make fathers to say, "What a lot of leaves to rack this fall." Now we will see line by line. Trees are for birds. Here the poet describes about that trees helps the birds to make nest, to get food and fruits from the trees, and the birds are able to get insects as well from the trees. Trees are for children. That means the writer says this, that children are able to play through trees. With the help of trees they used to play games. Trees are to make tree houses in. That means trees help us to make houses also, like in some places we make wooden houses. Trees are to swing swings on, means like children used to play on trees, hanging on the branches of trees, swinging on trees, right? Trees are for the wind to blow through. That means when the wind blows, the leaves of the trees fall down with the flow of the heavy flow of the wind. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Hide and seek is a type of a game which basically children used to play. Now, trees are to have tea parties under. That means like where in the houses where there are big gardens there are trees, so they used to have tea parties, like in the evening we all together sit and have a cup of tea under the tree. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Get caught in means stuck into it. जब हम पतंग उड़ाते हैं, when we fly kites, at times kite used to stuck in the trees. Trees are to make cool shade in summers. During summers when it is very hot, trees gives us shade to take rest, for basically for helpful for in summers for travelers. When we travel, or the people who travel during summers, they used to stay under the tree to take some rest. So trees help the travelers to give them shade during summers. Trees are to make no shade in winters. Why no shade in winters? Because in winters the leaves are fallen down. No leaves are there on the trees. So because of that reason, in winters trees does not give any shade, and it helps in getting rays of the sun, warm rays of the sun. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Pears means eat. Means trees gives us fruits also, so that we can eat. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Chop means to cut down, like teak woods. From teak woods we make different types of furnitures. So trees are to chop down and call timber. Means the wood of timber trees are used to make furnitures, good furnitures. Trees make mothers say. Mothers used to say, what a lovely picture to paint. Means according to when the painter paints for the nature, he paints trees, beautiful trees on it. So mother used to say that trees are helpful in making beautiful paintings. Trees make fathers say. And what the fathers say for the trees? What a lot of leaves to rack this fall. That means it is a kind of a tool to call leaves fallen down in autumn season, right? So what a lot of leaves to rack tool means leaves help to make a rack. And here, like this, the poem is over. Now we will see different points. Now first we will see themes. Now here first theme is this, that it gives the relationship between the nature and human beings. The poem talks about the relationship between the trees and nature and human beings. Second point, it gives the importance of trees. It gives the importance of trees in nature, in helpful in our lives, to give us shade, to help us in playing under it, and so on. Then tone. What is the tone? The attitude of the poem is light-hearted. That means the poem has written the poetry in a happy mood. Then structure. Now there are 16 dependent lines. Starts with the word trees. Okay, there is no rhyming and there is no division in form of paragraphs in this poem. I hope that you have understood this poem. Thank you.